Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a Vizio TV with a black screen and with sound. So this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have come across a black screen on their Vizio TV and there's sound, but it's still not working. How do you actually fix it? Now this video is also going to be short, sweet, and to the point, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but what you want to do first is that if your TV has a black screen, you want to go ahead and turn it off, and then you want to go ahead and unplug your TV, okay? So unplug it, and then the key thing here, guys, is that you want to make sure that it's unplugged for at least 1 minute, okay? So make sure that it's unplugged for at least 1 minute, and during that minute, you want to press and hold the power button for about 30 seconds. So those are two crucial steps that people often forget. And then afterwards, replug it back in and turn your TV back on. Now, once your TV is turned back on, okay, if you still continue to get that black screen every once in a while, the next thing that you can do is that you can grab your Vizio TV remote, click on menu, and then from here, you want to navigate to where it says system. So click on system. Next, you want to click on check for updates. So this right here, you want to make sure that your Vizio TV is up to date with the latest version. So by doing so, you'll reduce the chances of running into any bugs or issues on your Vizio TV. Now, the last thing that you can do is that you could also go ahead and restore your TV to its factory default settings. So what this means is that it's going to uninstall any unused apps, it's going to clear any junk, and it's also going to log you out of any apps that you're not using. So by restoring to your factory default, it's kind of like starting your Vizio TV fresh. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and fix your Vizio TV with a black screen and with sound. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.